Strike, dice game, how to play. The object of the game is to be the last player remaining. Set the box with the arena in the middle of the table, the foam mat in the bottom. Give everyone dice based on the number of players. 8 dice each for 2 players, down to 5 dice each for 5 players. Roll one of the remaining dice into the arena. If you get an X, re-roll. Any extra dice are returned to the lid of the box and are unused. On your turn, you must roll one die in the arena. You can roll however you like, but if the die misses the arena or bounces out, it is removed from play. If the die hits another die and changes the result, the new results remain. If a die is not laying flat, then gently shift the arena until it does. You are allowed to rotate the arena before a roll. You may not rotate, stack, or change the result of a rolled die. After rolling, remove all X's from play. Next, check for matches. If multiple dice match, collect all the matching dice out of the arena and place them in front of you to use on future turns. If you make a match and collect dice, your turn ends. If not, then you may choose to either end your turn or roll with a new die if you want. Each time you don't get a match, you may choose to continue to roll or stop. If you run out of dice, you must stop and are eliminated from the game. If, at the start of your turn, the arena is empty, then you must roll all the dice you have and remove any X's from the game and collect any matches. If all the players agree, you may choose to keep each player's dice hidden from each other. And you can also agree to move the dice away from the walls before each throw. Once all but one player are eliminated, the game immediately ends and they are the winner. You can also play multiple rounds with tournament rules. Play a number of rounds equal to the number of players, so each player will go first one time. When you get eliminated, score 1 point for each remaining player. The winner of each round scores 0. At the end of the rounds, the player with the fewest points wins. If it is a tie, then share the victory or play a winner-take-all game.